Hey guys, welcome to Perm Cubing. If you're new here, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. Today we're gonna solve a 3x3 in under a minute. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna practice this simple algorithm. This will help you solve the cube. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but on the left side of the cube. Let's learn the pieces. This right here is the corner. And this is the center. This doesn't turn no matter how you turn the cube. This is the middle piece. So the first thing we're going to do to solve the cube is to make this pattern which looks like a daisy flower. It's very easy to make them. Here's how it looks. Now align the white pieces to its center. For example, I am now taking the green middle piece to its correct color matching center, which is green. Now that it's correct, turn the face 180 degrees. Do the same to all of the side/faces. Now if you've done all of them, then you should have something like this called the white cross. This is step 2. Now we're going to put the corners inside the white face using the 4-move sequence which we learned earlier. Make sure the corner is in the right colors and put them in. Do it until it goes in. Do the same to all of the sides. Correct, your white face should be solved, and the middle piece and the corner should also be solved. Now we're going to put the middle pieces in. To do that, do this simple algorithm. Match the color of the middle piece you're going to put in. Now move it 1 block away from the right color. Do this simple little algorithm. As you can see, the piece is in. Let's do that to all of the pieces in the cube. Now that we're done, we're going to focus on the upper layer. You'll have to make a pattern called the fish or the soon. Hey Race, how to do that? The fish looks something like this. Now I'm going to teach you how to make this. First, turn the face clockwise, then do the 4-move sequence. Try doing that on every side until you can see a cross or a fish. If you get a cross, then do this simple algorithm. Make sure the yellow corner is facing you, and do it again. We got the fish now. Let's do it again until the face is full yellow. Now this is a U-Perm. This is the final step of solving the cube. Let's see what we can do to solve it. To solve it, you must have a headlight like this or a full solved layer. Now put the headlight behind, turn 180 degrees, and do this simple algorithm. Now we got the Z-Perm, which looks like the U-Perm, but every side is scrambled. But we will use the same algorithm for both of them. Let's do that again. Make sure the solved layer is behind. You just solved the Rubik's Cube. Let's solve this cube too.